We've been hearing from our wonderful and beautiful social community out there all about what do we do and what the heck is double cleansing. So I'm here to tell you all about the fantastic way to cleanse your skin by using the double cleansing method. So what is double cleansing? Well, it's basically exactly the way it sounds. We're going to cleanse the skin twice. What the catch is you're going to use two different styles of cleansers. The first cleanser will be an oil-based cleanser, and the second cleanser will be a water-based cleanser. So very simply put, an oil cleanser and a gel cleanser. That's a really nice way to see it, and you may already have this in your own home, in your own regular home care routine right now. So how can you implement this into your routine and why? So why you would use an oil cleanser first is that it's like the first contact onto the skin to really help lift and remove any impurities off the skin that are hanging out with you all day long. Things like pollution, your environmental stressors, and how your skin might respond in different places like your home for central heating, air conditioning, and also just stepping outside and possible different weather changes. So this can affect our skin and how it environmentally is addressed and what you can see to the skin. So that's like step one. Using the water-based cleanser or the gel cleanser afterwards is going to get there and do that extra deep cleanse and give you clear and more bright looking skin, which will help with congestion. So if you are a skin type that tends to be a little bit more congested, double cleansing method may be something you want to start incorporating in your home care routine. So let's break it down a little bit further for you here. So your oil-based cleansers can come in different ways. You can have like a solid oil cleanser, such as we have here in our stovetop cleansing oil. So this is a straight up cleansing oil. And another option that you can use for your first step in your double cleanse is using our Wildflower Cleansing Balm. And that's for those of you who may not be familiar with cleansing balms. So cleansing balms are very unique in their own right. They apply either as an oil cleanser or they can apply more like a lotion and just a gentle lather type of cleanser. So this is like a transformative cleanser that you can be used in two different ways. So really, almost this can be your double cleansing if you wish, but I would still use a gel-based or a water-based cleanser after this one just to get that extra deep cleanse for especially if you're congested. And I'm going to show you how this works in just a moment. Just to continue with the flow, I wanted to also express that if your skin type is not for oil cleansers, if you're just not your jam, I totally understand. You can definitely reach for a cleanser that is a little bit richer. So this could be like your cream-based cleansers. And I just brought this one as an example today, like our Bright Skin cleanser. This is like more of a cream cleansing base, but it's still going to have oil in it, so it's going to give you that lifting that we're looking for, and you can still follow with a beautiful gel or water-based cleanser after that. So those would be your three options, like a pure oil, you could use a cleansing balm, or go with a cream-based cleanser for your first step of that cleanse. And then for the second cleansing method, those water-based or gel, you have a few options with Eminence, absolutely. If you are a little more in that acne-prone, blemished skin, your second cleanse definitely could be the beautiful Acne Advanced Cleanser. This is also pretty cool because it's a cleansing foam, so it's liquid inside the bottle, but when you press it out, it turns into this beautiful mousse, very silky and amazing on the skin. So you're gonna get that deep cleanse without that extra drying feeling. So for those of you who haven't tried this yet, you're really gonna love it. If you are normal skin type, just looking for a great old gel-based cleanser, water-based, can never go wrong with our gorgeous, love this one, Stone Crop Cleansing Gel Wash, pardon me. Again, a little bit goes a long way. This you will need to use a little bit of water with, and then you want to do some circular motion when you're lifting. Beautiful for that little extra deep cleanse for congestion, but everybody can use this one. So if you are starting off with your double cleansing method, you may want to select the Stone Crop Gel Wash as your water-based cleanser to begin. If you want to do a little extra, like a dual action cleanser, again, you could look at your gel-based cleansers that maybe have a multifunctionality as well. So we have our Mangosteen Daily Resurfacing Cleanser here that you could definitely use, especially this is really my little secret when I want to help minimize my pores, I will reach for the Mangosteen cleanser. So this could be another option as well. So the rules here, oil-based cleanser first, water-based cleanser second, and then you're good to go to complete the rest of your home care routine. So as promised, I just wanted to give you a quick little demo of a cleansing balm in case this is something you want to try. And they're very easy to use, but just wanted to give you the example that it does begin as like an oil. So as soon as it touches and warms with your skin, you're going to get this beautiful type of oil effect. It lifts, and I'll tell you, The aromatics from the wildflowers, like taking a walk in the summer, I think in Hungary is what we were reminded of. It's using beautiful flowers here. Gorgeous. So you can see right away we have this kind of oil feeling to it. As soon as I add water to this cleanser, I'm gonna get a little bit of a different texture here. I may need to add a little bit more to show you guys the effect. I'm just using a little bit today. Oh, here we go. So I hope you can see that nice and close. It immediately turns into this beautiful balm. Again, really bringing that aromatic to the surface, and the perfect way to begin the first step in your double cleansing method. I really hope this was educational. You had some fun with me today and giving you a chance to mix and match some of your own cleansers at home, or maybe add a new one into your home care routine. So I'm Natalie with another In the Mix, and as always, don't forget to hit that notification to hear more of us and to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time.